We would like to thank you at this time in your interest in the mytee Escape Light Carpet Extractor, sold only at Magic Wand. We're going to run you through some of the basic operations of the machine in order for you to get the most out of it on the first job. First, you need to prioritize your hookup. This is very important to having a smooth ETM operation. First, you need to worry about your water hookup. It uses a typical quick disconnect, and the rest of the parts can be found conveniently at a local hardware store. You hook it right here to a common water source. You can find this on the location of most buildings. Any common garden hose will work. The next, you want to worry about your dumping of the tank. You can either utilize this valve, or you can utilize the auto pump valve, which we'll demonstrate right now. It simply hooks up with this connector that comes with the machine right there. You want to make sure that the dump valve is located in the on position. Next, we're going to talk about power consumption. This machine comes with two twist lock cords in order to ensure that they don't pull from the machine. You want to make sure that one cord is located on a 20 amp breaker and the other cord is located on a 15 amp breaker or 20 amp breaker. You also make sure that they are located far apart. Oftentimes you'll find a kitchen and a bedroom or a bathroom far away from the kitchen in order to make sure that you're on two separate circuits. Most kitchens are almost always a 20 amp breaker. You'll want to make sure that that is hooked to your pressure pump and one of the LX vacuum motors. Now we're going to just demonstrate the audible note that lets you know when you're on two separate circuits. That ensures that you're on two separate circuits. When you hear that, you know you're good to go. Now we're going to discuss proper filtration of the vacuum system. In order to ensure that your pump out remains functional, you want to make sure that you use these piglet filters. It comes with a package like this. And it also comes with this mytee cufflinks. To utilize it, you insert it right here and place it like so. You then take your cuff and insert it like that. That will ensure that you have proper filtration of the incoming debris. Now we're going to demonstrate how to operate the pressure pump on the machine. First time use, you're going to need to prime it. So once your water is hooked up, or you've filled the tank with some water, you're going to want to turn on your pump. Then you'll want to turn this valve off and on. Until your gauge reaches the desired pressure. This way you don't have to use a separate priming hose like you would with inferior machines. Next, we're going to demonstrate how to adjust the pressure on your pressure pump. You simply use this knob right here, which is your pressure bypass, in order to get to the desired pressure that you want. In this case, we're going to turn it up to 500 psi. Very convenient. Hopefully, this is enough information to get you started on your first job. As I said, make sure that you prioritize your hoses. Water first, then your drain, then your power consumption. Then you want to make sure that you hook up your solution line. Pre-spray the home if you're using a hydro force. Then you would hook up your vacuum line. Make sure that when you go to turn on your machine, that you turn on your switches in succession. Don't turn them all on at once or you could cause a breaker to trip. You'd want to turn them on one. As I said, hopefully this is enough to get you guys started. Have a great day.